Well, hello, my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, we're going to assemble chip bags, and I'm going to be using the template that I created. It's available on my Etsy digital store. And I also purchased this paper crimper from Amazon. I have all the items used in the description box below, and I wanted to give this a try to add a little bit of embellishment to the chip bag. Now, I used three types of paper for this project. The first paper I used was glossy photo paper, and right now I'm noticing that when I went to crimp, it had some embellishment, so I'm going to troubleshoot and figure out what I'm doing wrong there. I also used Hammer Mill's laser glossy paper with my laser printer and copy paper as well. So three different types of paper. I want to see what the look is going to be. Now there's different ways that you get to adhere your chip bag. You can use double-sided tape, a tape runner, or even hot glue as well. It's whatever your preference is. I'm going to start off with double-sided tape. Like to use a strip of tape on the right side of my design and then at the top at the bottom, placing the chip bag in the middle of the template and then adhering it closed. That's one way that you could assemble your chip bag. This template is for a 1 ounce chip bag. I like to use a more thinner strip on the side to make sure it adheres nicely, and then the thicker strip across the top and the bottom of the chip bag design. And then once I have the chip bag placed, I like to adhere it by just slowly joining the two sides together and then adding pressure towards the top and the bottom and then sealing it closed. I know some people don't like the white strip or don't care for the white strip in the middle, the back of the chip bag. I like it. It's all about personal preference. Once it's sealed closed, I take a little Cricut tool and remove the tape, the backing, and adhere the bottom and the top of the chip bag, making it as flat as possible to place it into the paper crimper. With the paper crimper open, place the chip bag inside, close it, and then turn the knob. And I like the way that comes out. You can also cut the end, top and end of your chip bag with a jagged scissors, paper scissors, to make a unique look. And I just want to take a moment to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the channel. We are so glad you're with us. I hope and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click the notification bell. We would love to have you a part of the Crafting with Shaneda family. I'm working really hard to get new videos up weekly and just showing you tips and tricks and how to be a better crafter. So that was the first time that I did it. I kind of figured out just letting it dry a little bit more help without that embellishment. Now another way that you could assemble your chip bag is without the chip bag enclosed. Go ahead and adhere the sides. I like to adhere it and add pressure. And then here seal the bottom of the chip bag, placing it in my paper crimper. Again, opening the paper crimper to place it, close it once it's secured, and roll. I like the paper crimper because it adds an extra amount of pressure sealing that chip bag. Then I usually put my hand in there, make sure it's nice and open, and then insert my 1 ounce chips inside the bag and seal close. Again, this design, if you like this design and template, I do have it available on my Etsy digital store, Amaya's Digital Creation, and I'll have the link for that in the description bar as well. Sometimes if the chip bag itself has a lot of air, you do kind of have to maneuver it and play around with it, but it will fit a 1 ounce chip bag. So this particular chip bag, I used copy paper. I think it came out amazing. This chip bag, I used the laser glossy paper, and this is with the photo paper. Look at that shine. Out of the 3 designs, I think they all came out amazing. They all work for whatever budget or style that you're looking for. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you picked up a few tips and tricks. I really enjoy using this paper crimper. I'm going to use it for future projects. And I hope to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!